How to see what Instagram reels your friends liked. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open Instagram on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now tap on the Reels option you see there on the bottom toolbar, and in the Reels tab you will see the Friends option on top of your screen instead of For You or Explore. So tap on the Friends option, and this Friends section shows Reels your friends have liked, commented, or reposted. So simply scroll through the reels and you will see profile bubbles at top right or somewhere on the screen indicating that certain friends liked or commented on this reels. Tapping on those bubbles can show you which friend and sometimes will bring up a view of other content they engaged with. As you can see right here on the screen, if I tap on the bubble right here, then the friend who liked this particular reel will pop up on my screen. So this is how you can see what Instagram reels your friends liked. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.